How to take screenshots in restricted apps. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can take screenshots in restricted app. So let's just get ahead with the process and look out on how to do that. So if you want to take a screenshot in restricted apps, the method you can apply up is one of the easiest is using a different device in order to capture the screen. Otherwise, we also have this option of using a screen recorder instead, which will help you record the screen, but there is likely chance that it won't, even a screen recorder can't record it. So what you can do is go ahead and access it through a different browser. You can open that application in a different browser if possible, or depending upon the app's restrictions and a device capability. You can also use different assistant like Google Assistant in order to command them in order to take the screenshot. However, always be mindful of the app's terms of service and respect any restrictions put into place by the developer. So for now, that is the method you can apply up. You can use also commands such as take a screenshot or capture screen to enable Google in order to take the screenshots. So that is how you take screenshot in restricted apps. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.